Hey guys, so today we're gonna go grocery shopping.
Yes, we are, and here are our list. Wait, why is your list still closed?
Oh wait, sorry.
Now it's better. Okay, as we were saying, today we're gonna go grocery shopping, so these are our lists.
Yay!
Hi guys, I'm gonna take my basket
Me too.
and my shopping list.
In my shopping, in
Okay,
mine.
in the basket it goes.
Yay!
The first thing on our list is candies, and it's 3 for $5. First, we're gonna take the scoop like this. We're gonna scoop up some candies. I'm gonna grab 3, and here I'm gonna take a bag and put it in the bag.
Oh, cool.
Now it's Brinja's turn.
Okay. Okay, now I'm just gonna do the same thing as her. Grab scoop. Okay, and now scoop up the candies. I'm just gonna scoop up the remaining 3 because 3 for $5, and that's quite a good deal. Now I'm gonna put it in my bag.
Yay!
Yay!
In the basket it goes. Now
Yay.
for our second thing on the list.
It's ice cream.
Let's go.
Okay, so I'm here at the ice cream section. So we're gonna choose an ice cream. Oh my god, wait, it's my favorite. They have the lime ice cream. I'm gonna get it.
Now it's my turn. So for me, I think I'm gonna get I think I'll get the cookies and cream ice cream to go in my basket because I really love cookies and cream. Here it is. In the basket it goes.
Me too.
For the next thing on my list, I'm gonna need a strawberry milk. I love milk.
Oh, I also need that for my list.
Oh, what a coincidence. Do you think we could share it?
Yay!
Yay! Okay, let's grab it. You can put it in your basket.
Okay. In the basket it goes.
Sharing is caring, guys.
Yay!
For the next thing in my list is actually flowers and bread. Let's grab it. Okay, first we got flowers. And next we got bread. Now I'm done shopping. Yay!
Okay, so the next thing on my list is some grapes and fries actually. So I have a grape over here and I can find in the same shelf as the fries. And oh my god! It's my own species! Okay, now I have some fries. Yay! Okay, in the basket. Oh my god. Oh, hello.
Hello, cashier. Me and my friend, we wanna start paying. So yeah, how much will this cost exactly?
Oh yeah, that's $18.
Okay, thank
You
you.
better not be broke. Anyway, how? Let me just check yours. Blep blep blep. Scanning. Okay. Anyway, yours is $15. Oh yay. Okay.
Let's
Do you
pay.
want me to help you pay with my card?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, here's the scanning machine.
I'm gonna scan it.
Beep.
Yay, thanks.
Oh wait, if you scan using that type of card, you get to get one set of sushi for free, each of you guys.
Wait, that's so cool. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Come, let's go choose our sushi. Let's see. I really like the red color sushi, so I think I'll get it. In my basket it goes.
Whee! Oh, right, I meant to choose sushi. Okay. Oh my god, they have ebi fry over here. That's so good. I'm gonna get this.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it in my basket. Okay, guys, so we're done shopping, and now we're gonna eat everything that we bought
Yes.
together.
What's our journey?
Yay! Okay, so first I'm gonna eat my sushi.
Nice. I'm gonna eat my sushi. Oh, I ate it finished. Ooh, Plan also ate hers finished. Now let's move on. Burp. Wait, I finished all my food.
Hello. What were we doing again? Oh yeah, food.
Oh
I
yeah, hey
finished mine.
guys. I forgot. Okay, so we're gonna have our dessert now and catch you guys in a while. See ya.
Bye.
Hi guys, thank you for watching our video today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Something is wrong with him, but it's alright. I'll just eat his ice cream. Okay.
No, my ice cream. My ice cream.
Okay, thanks. Bye bye.